Hello there and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm thrilled that you found us. Today we're going into something really fascinating. I'd like to talk to you about why Montessori works. Specifically, we're going to look at the science behind child-led learning and why this approach is so effective. So whether you're a parent, an educator, or just curious about different educational philosophies, this video is for you. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's explore the magic behind Montessori. Now, first things first, what exactly is child-led learning? In a Montessori classroom, you won't find a teacher standing at the front of the room giving lectures. Instead, children choose their own activities and they work at their own pace. This might seem a bit chaotic to the untrained eye, but there's actually a lot of structure and purpose behind it. The idea is that children are naturally curious, and when given the freedom to explore, they learn best through hands-on experiences. Maria Montessori developed her educational philosophy over 100 years ago, and it's still going strong. Why? Because it's rooted in how children naturally learn. So, why does child-led learning work so well? Let's go into the science of it. One of the key principles in Montessori education is that children learn through active engagement with their environment. Research in developmental psychology supports this, showing that active learning, where children are physically and mentally engaged, leads to better retention and understanding of information. A study by the American Psychological Association found that children who learn by doing rather than just listening tend to retain information longer and apply it more effectively in new situations. This is because hands-on activities engage multiple senses, which strengthens the neural connections in the brain. Imagine a child learning to count using Montessori's golden beads. Instead of just memorizing numbers by rote, they physically handle the beads, group them, and see the concrete representation of quantities. This tactile experience makes the concept of numbers much more meaningful and easier to grasp. Another reason Montessori works so well is that it promotes autonomy and intrinsic motivation. In Montessori classrooms, children are encouraged to make choices about their learning, which fosters a sense of independence and responsibility. Research shows us that when children feel that they have a control over their learning, they're more motivated and engaged. Studies have found that children who are given the freedom to make choices about their activities are more likely to stay focused, show persistence, and enjoy the learning process. This is because they are driven by their own curiosity and interests rather than giving them awards from outside or from pressure. Maria Montessori observed that children are naturally driven to learn and they don't need constant praise or rewards to stay motivated. This is why Montessori classrooms often avoid traditional grades and rewards, and they favor self-assessment and internal satisfaction. Let's talk about the Montessori environment now, which is carefully prepared to support child-led learning. Everything in the classroom is designed to be accessible to children and to encourage exploration. The materials are self-correcting, meaning that children can identify and fix their own mistakes without an adult interfering. This builds confidence and problem-solving skills. Research also backs this up. Studies have shown that children in Montessori environments showed significant improvements in executive function skills like planning, flexibility, and working memory. These skills are crucial for success in school and in life. Think about the simple act of pouring water. In a Montessori classroom, a child might have a small jug and a glass to practice pouring. If they spill, they can easily wipe it up with a cloth. This activity, while it seems so simple, teaches coordination, focus, and self-reliance, skills that are the foundation for more complex learning. Montessori education also places a strong emphasis on social and emotional development. Because children of different ages learn together, younger children learn from the older ones, and older children reinforce their learning by teaching the younger children. These multi age interactions build empathy, cooperation, and leadership skills. You may have heard of Angeline Lillard. She's a prominent Montessori researcher, and she found that Montessori children exhibit better social and emotional skills compared to those in non Montessori schools. They tend to be more respectful, cooperative, and capable of resolving conflicts peacefully. In a Montessori classroom, you might see a 5-year-old helping a 3-year-old with a task. This not only benefits the younger child, but it also reinforces the older child's understanding and it boosts their confidence. Finally, let's look at the long term benefits. Studies have shown that Montessori students often outperform their peers in traditional schools, not just academically, but in areas like creativity, social skills, and problem solving. Studies have shown that by the end of kindergarten, Montessori students had better reading and math skills, as well as stronger social skills and higher executive functioning. Some of the most successful innovators in the world, like Google's founders, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, they credit their Montessori education for teaching them to think creatively and independently. It's no coincidence that many Montessori educated children grow up to be lifelong learners and leaders. So, why does Montessori work? Because it's based on a deep understanding of how children learn best through hands on exploration, autonomy, and a supportive environment. The science backs it up, and the real life results speak for themselves. If you're interested in bringing these principles into your own home or your classroom, we'd love to help you get started. At Sunshine Teachers Training, we offer a range of online Montessori courses that can equip you with the knowledge and tools to implement Montessori education effectively. Whether you're a parent, teacher, or school leader, our courses are designed to fit into your busy life and help you make a real difference in the lives of children. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, show us some love, subscribe to our channel, and share this with others who might benefit. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and until next time, have a beautiful day.